These were a pretty cool find. They're little soda bottles. The bottom came off so that you could get the candy out. The candy was like a soda flavored candy. Came with this little 6-pack holder thing. I got a couple of these little sodas long ago. I've had these a while. I thought they were pretty cool. They're a pretty good size for my G.I Joes. I don't think it's too off scale. They make nice little drinks or beverages in a base camp. Some still have the little labels on them. I could probably just take them off. I think they'd look better with no labels. Like I said, I think that these would be a great prop for a base camp or something. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.